How to see hidden contacts on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can see the hidden contacts on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this menu tab right here. Tap on it. Now here you can see settings. Tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Tap on it. Now just here you can see hidden contacts. Tap on it. Now here all the hidden contacts will be listed. You can also add it by tapping on add and just tap on one name like this, and you can see hide contact right here. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see your contact has been hidden right here. In order to unhide them, just tap on unhide and they will be unhidden. This is how you can see the hidden contacts on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.